Now second part is having an admin section. So let us first do one thing. Let us create two links. Login we are just placing the links which is already there from the auth settings. So by clicking on login I can go here, and by clicking on register and login, and now this page is available without any login. This is a public page, right? So let us start by creating a controller in the admin section. ठीक है? So how we can create a controller again? PHP addition make controller, and we are keeping the public block controller and the admin block controller in separate. Okay, ठीक है? So in admin we have a block controller. ठीक है? Over here what we can do, let us first create a public function list to list all the blocks in this, and in web we can see that we have route middleware auth over here, and any route inside with this middleware will be can be accessed only after login. ठीक है? हाँ वही तो बोल रहे हो, लॉगिन करने के बाद ही दिखाएगा। तो वो एडमिन पैनल में तुमको वो चीज तो लॉगिन करने के बाद ही दिखाना चाहिए, राइट? So what we can do, we can put something like logs admin / blogs. ठीक है? Then we can now here is a problem that we have two blocks controller, so we have to write something like this. We need to use the alias name. ठीक है? समझ में आया क्या किए? समझ में आया? किसी को कोई डाउट है? देखो, अगर हम यहाँ पे ब्लॉक कंट्रोलर लिखे तो इस एप्लीकेशन में एरर आएगा, क्योंकि ये भी ब्लॉक कंट्रोलर है, ये भी कंट्रोलर है। तो इसको मेरे को एक एलियस नेम देना पड़ेगा कि इसके जगह आई विल यूज दिस कंट्रोलर एज दिस नेम। ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे जब भी आपको किसी भी जब आप किसी क्लास को इंपोर्ट करते हैं और इत्तेफाक से वो दोनों क्लास का नाम सेम है, तब आप कैसे उसको यूज कीजिएगा? दिस कैन अराइज इन कंट्रोलर, इन मॉडल्स, ठीक है, इन योर सर्विस क्लास, दिस कैन हैपन मल्टीपल टाइम्स. हाउ विल यू हैंडल दैट? यूजिंग दिस एज फॉर क्रिएटिंग एन एलियस नेम फॉर इट. ठीक है? जस्ट एक नया नाम दे दिया उसको और उस नाम से इसको एक्सेस कर रहे हैं. ठीक है। तो नाउ इफ वी ट्राई टू गो and access admin slash blocks, yes, I will be redirected to the login page. I have to log in and I will be able to access this page. Simple. कोई डाउट? ये क्यों आया? क्योंकि we have middleware auth over here. ठीक है। Return view. So we will again go and create a folder called admin. Inside that blocks, and then inside that we will create list. ठीक है। So we will go to resources, views. Inside it we will create admin. We will create blocks, and we will create a file called list.blade.php. ठीक है। Again h1 admin block list. So admin block list. Now what we need to do, we will be using the same layout as we have this is the title, this is the format of the the template which we have right now. I have already showed you how to use the admin panel for this, admin LT theme for this. हाँ, so आप जब अगर घर पे करोगे तो use admin LT. ठीक है। Lack of time की वजह से I am using this template to show you what we need to achieve. ठीक है। तो डैशबोर्ड की जगह we put blog list and we can go to navigation. We have dashboard over here. So instead of dashboard, let us put route admin blocks list and then blocks. ठीक है, समझ में आया? यहाँ पे अपना blocks आ गया. So what we will do, we will put a table over here with serial number, title and actions. यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं अपने लिस्ट में. Let us put a table. Wait. Let us also put this style. Okay. Sorry. ठीक है. This is not the right place to put the styles, but I am here to teach Laravel, so I will be focusing on Laravel. ठीक है. So we have a table, right? Now what we can do, we can use this table for showing the values which are required. Let me show you how. First we will have a serial number, a title and actions, right? So serial number, title and action, and what we can do is like we can use this in for each loop to get the values, right? So let us again go to our controller, use app models, as we need the data of blocks table, so we need to use the model dollar blocks equal to blocks cat, and then we can send it to the view using this. Yeah. Now for this, again we are repeating the same code. For each dollar blocks as dollar blog, and then at and for each. Okay, we are getting these names because we haven't put values into this HTML codes. So let us do loop iterations. Then we have to write a title which is dollar blog dash title. Sorry, undefined blog. Hmm? Oh, sorry. ठीक है, and in actions we'll put two buttons. One button will be we'll just put anchor tags href, edit and delete. ठीक है, right now they are empty. So for edit, let us create a new function or action, edit, and then return view admin blog dot form. Those who have attended my lecture earlier know that I like to keep a single form for both create and edit. Do you remember? Huh? So I like to keep the same form for edit and create. ठीक है? And right now let us not send any value. If I try to now, let us go and add it to our routes file. Blog slash edit. ठीक है? And then edit blogs dot. So we have to go to our list page. We can have URL. We will use the route function too. We have written admin dot blogs dot edit. So we have not created the form. Okay, copy, rename to form. Okay, and I'll remove this. I'll remove this. Form codes. Okay. So now, but there is a problem. We have to pass the ID of each blog, right? So for that, we need to go to web. In web, we need to add something like this, and then if I when I'm trying to generate, it's showing me that the ID field is missing because in at the time of using the route in the list page, we haven't passed the ID. For passing the ID, all we have to do, we have to put a comma and then pass a value. And here the value will be block ID. ठीक है 1 2. Any doubt so far? And what we can do is in the form control, in the block controller, we can use ID, and then we can use dollar blog equal to blog find or fail. What is the difference between find or fail and find? It will return 404 if it will not, if it doesn't find any entry with that ID. ठीक है? So dollar, sorry, blog equals to dollar blog. ठीक है? And let us in this form just put dollar. See, we have it. So NEET exams ID2 and 2024 elections. I have already shown you guys how to create the form using Spaghetti. Use Spaghetti to create the form. I will add a button, so you can click on this button and put the add functionality. ठीक है? In this blog, and in the next class we will discuss add, edit and delete. ठीक है? Any doubt so far? किसमें? कंट्रोलर. हाँ, ये कंट्रोलर आया. We create a dollar data array. ठीक है? And we put, instead of this we just put dollar data. ठीक है? And whenever I need to pass something, I don't have to go and change this value again and again. I can write something like data blog equals to this value and done. Now if I need to send the blocks list also, I can write data block list equal to blocks get. If I need to send the users list also, I can do something like data users, or a good thing which I want to show you is let us send the uh, logged in users details in this list page. So I can write something like user auth user, ठीक है, and this will send the in the user we will have the authenticated user. I don't have to change it here, and this is the way I like to do it. ठीक है, I can send multiple value without altering this line. And if I go to this list page and write something like e $user and define. Okay, it's not in the list, it's in the form. Sorry, it's in the form. Okay, so in the form, if I go and put something like this, I have the authenticated user. So using auth, we can fetch the value of authenticated user anywhere, even if. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.